Hello everyone, how are you? My name is Zahid and I'm going to teach you a little bit about data science. So let's begin. I'll start by telling you a bit about myself. My name is Zahid. I've done computer science and I've majored in machine learning. There are a lot of reasons why I chose machine learning. I'll tell you a bit about it in this lecture. So I've made about 200 plus different projects, which range from freelancing to industrial, and most of them were related to data science. One of them was a sign language conversion app, which actually was used to convert sign language to text and text to sign language using just a single mobile camera. And it was a really remarkable application because it used hand tracking, and it was the one of the best use cases of data science. Another app was vehicle detection and vehicle counting, so that could detect the speed of the vehicle and detect how many vehicles passed from a certain position just by using a single camera and nothing else. Also, I'm currently the CAIO of a startup. CAIO means the Chief Artificial Intelligence Officer, which means that I have the whole artificial intelligence wing under me, and I work in that. I lead that department, and that is really interesting. So that was a bit about myself. Let's start by why you should actually pursue data science. So the main reason I am in this field is because it can make the world a better place. I think that data science has helped a lot of people, has helped the whole world, and in the last century, it has gained its respect, its uses exponentially. It helps a lot of tasks being done easier, faster, and even better in most cases. It is used in our everyday life. Every time you go online, every time you search for something, every time you play a game, data science is being used, and data science helps the process to be better. I've written down a few of the things that use data science, which you see almost in your daily life. So, recommendation systems, like when you go on an online store and they already have a few things to show you, like you may like this, you may like that, and 9 out of 10 times you love that thing. That is because of data science. They process the data they take and they choose the best thing for you. Virtual assistants, stock and finance predictors, I've worked in those, and it's really interesting when you get to predict prices, predict stocks, predict sales prices, detect images. You can actually use data science to see what objects are in those image, who in speech recognition you can check that who is speaking, like which person in the audio is speaking, which person in the picture is that person. You can detect it, you can label that person, and much more. It's really fun, and I've put a question mark there for you to decide that, but for me, if you ask me, it is really fun. So let's get into the introduction of data science and what is data science. Data science is a subset of artificial intelligence, and to understand that, you have to understand artificial intelligence, in which is the simulation of human intelligence done by machines. So anything that a human can do, if you make that be done by a machine, that is artificial intelligence. Suppose that you have to tell the machine the difference between a cat and a dog. Just like you train a baby, like you tell the baby that this is a cat, this is a dog, the same process goes into a machine. You show the machine 1,000 different pictures of dogs, 1,000 different pictures of cat, and then it extracts useful information. And then next time you show him a new picture, it can tell that it's more cat than a dog, it's more dog than a cat, and with that, it can actually predict what picture it. So talking about data science particularly, it has a lot of different fields. It has statistics, it has AI, it has data analysis, and all that combined makes data science. And that is used to extract meaningful information from the data, from billions and billions of GBs of data. Just in Google, you can imagine how many people use Google every day, and each time you Google, that entry is saved. And each time any person Googles, he gets the result within a second. And that is all because of data science. The last point in the introductory lecture will be that the maths is really important. As mentioned, statistics is being used, probability is being used. So, you have to have some basic knowledge of maths to actually gain most from data science. That is all for this introductory lecture. Thank you very much for listening to me, and I hope to see you again.